With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. See here our question is a passage type of question is given, and in passage the information given is the measure of net molecular polarity is a quantity or called dipole moment, which is defined as magnitude of the charge at either end of the molecular dipole times the distance r between the charge. So dipole moment is equals to q into r, where q is the charge and r is the distance. Molecular polarity gives rise to some of the forces that occur between molecules. Such forces are termed as intermolecular forces. These molecular forces are of several different types, including dipole-dipole forces, London dispersion forces, hydrogen bonds, and ion-dipole forces operate between ions and molecules. These intermolecular forces are electrical in origin and results from the mutual attraction of unlike charges or mutual repulsion of like charges. A formal positive charge on the central atom affects the size of the orbitals. A formal positive charge on central atom will pull in all electrons towards the nucleus, and this will lead to the contraction of the size of the orbitals. And select the correct statement. So based on this passage, these following statements are given. These four statements are given, and we need to find out the correct statement. So the first statement is saying in triacylamine, all NSI bond lengths are bigger than that of normal NSI single bonds. So see, the explanation for this would be like this. If I talk about the statement A, because of p pi d pi delocalization, the N nitrogen and nitrogen silicon bonds have partial double bond character. Partial double bond character. So, nitrogen silicon bond lengths are quite smaller, as compared to that of single bonds than that of single covalent bonds. Single covalent bonds. Okay. So here your first statement is correct. Okay. All NSI bond lengths are bigger than that of normal NSI bond length. So here first statement is not correct. The first statement became wrong. A statement is your incorrect statement. Okay. Because NSI bond lengths are not bigger. NSI bond lengths are actually smaller, sorry. Here second statement is saying pH5 can undergo sp3 hybridization to have octaheterogeometry. So let's see the explanation for this. First of all, pH5 compound does not exist. Why? I'll explain it here. pH5 cannot undergo sp3 dehybridization. The statement is incorrect. Why it cannot undergo sp3 dehybridization? Because there is much larger difference in size of sp and d orbitals. Okay, so pH5 does not exist as the partial positive charge develops on P. So pH5 doesn't exist as partial positive charge develops on P. So here your second statement is also your incorrect statement. This is statement is incorrect. Now let's check the third statement. Dipole moment of CH3F is greater than that of dipole moment of CH3Cl. So this is also your entirely wrong statement because the dipole moment of CH3Cl is actually greater. So C statement, as I explained, so dipole moment of CH3Cl is greater than CH3F. Why? Due to greater charge separation, greater charge separation on carbon and chlorine atoms in CH3Cl. What is dipole moment? Dipole moment is mu is equals to charge into separation between them. So larger the separation, larger will be the dipole moment. So CH3Cl have larger dipole moment than CH3F. So your third statement is also incorrect statement. Now let's check the fourth statement. Fourth statement is saying increasing strength of hydrogen bonding is C chlorine H chlorine H chlorine HCl it NH and OH OHO sorry ClHCl NHL OHO and FHF. This is the increasing order of strength of hydrogen bonding given. So let's check, is this a correct statement or not? So D statement, if I explain, so hydrogen bonding here, the strength of hydrogen bonding depends upon first size of atom, second electronegativity, and third on ease of donation of electron pair by the electronegative element. Okay, so higher the value of electronegativity and smaller the size, stronger will be the hydrogen bonding. So here this statement is your correct statement and the order given is your correct order. Okay, so the order will be like this. Here it is a printing mistake. So this is your correct order. So your answer will be B option. D is your correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.